Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Capricorn Earth sign. This is monthly reading. This is for month of August. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Capricorn. Ace of Swords, Queen of Wands, Three of Wands. Lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I think there is a lot of passion between both of you, Queen of Wands, and this could be long distance relationship also. You are in communication in past, but some waiting. I think due to long distance relationship, you both far away from each other. You are in one country, or your person in another country, or you in one city, or your person maybe in another city, but lot of passion is there between both of you. So let's see more about your connection, your feelings towards your person. Let's see first Capricorn. Eight of Cups and Queen of Pentacles. I think for some there is separation. That's why it is Three of Wands here waiting. So let's see your person feelings also. Then I will explain your person feelings towards you, Capricorn. Separation. Okay. From your person side, Five of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Three of Wands, 2 times Three of Wands, consciousness, Ace of Swords, 2 times Ace of Swords here. Definitely here 8 of Cups and here 5 of Cups. Separation. 80% of you, there is separation between both of you, or less communication between both of you. So you both feeling sad, you both want reconciliation, but one person, your person, I think you are not expressing your feelings to your person. That's why you Four of Pentacles, their feelings towards you, because Four of Pentacles, I think you are not expressing your feelings to them, Capricorn. So you want to go towards your person, definitely, because Knight of Cups, you want to offer this cup of love to your person, but Knight of Cups is very slow energy. So you want to offer this cup of love to your person, but your person feelings towards you, definitely they are feeling lonely. Outsider, Five of Cups, Five of Pentacles, sorry. I think you walked away from this connection first. That's why cold shouldering, they're feeling very bad for that. So the misery, I think they are thinking that you are not expressing your feelings. Your person also want new beginning with you, communication. They want some communication with you, because Ace of Swords, consciousness, Three of experience, Three of Wands, waiting. Definitely there is less communication or no communication between both of you, 90% of the Capricorns. So Capricorn, you also want to offer this cup of love to your person also wanting reconciliation, but lot of passion is there between both of you. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Capricorn, you or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of earth energies here. Laziness, Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. You both wishing for the same. See here, Six of Pentacles. There is no equal give and take. That's why it is happening. One person invests in this connection more, but the other person is not. That is the main issue. This is the issue in every relationship also. One person giving more, but other person not as much as the other person. That's the issue. When this could be equal, definitely this relationship is going to be next level. So I think this is coming. You both realizing after the separation. You both realizing you both words after the separation. So let's pull some more cards from universe for final message. Capricorn. A lot of water energy also. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Wow, Four of Wands. Ace of Cups. Wow, Knight of Swords. mutual energy between both of you. Yes, you both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. Yes, your person want family with you. And Ace of Cups. Capricorn, you love your person a lot. The love is overflown here. And a Knight of Swords. Definitely you both rush towards each other. Yes, reconciliation is coming. For those who are waiting for reconciliation, it is coming, but it is slow because Knight of Cups is here. You have to wait patiently. So you both love each other. You both want restart with each other. So definitely it will happen because the card's saying. So maybe last of August or maybe in the next month, definitely there will be reconciliation. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.